Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now today actually I'm very keen to share with you a new device. Not really new, it's the Realme 9 Pro Plus, but this time it comes in the Free Fire edition. Now what's really cool about this Free Fire edition is that not only does it come with a new design, but the entire packaging is completely different. And if you are a Free Fire fan, the shooting game by the way, you will be very excited to see this particular device hitting Malaysia right now. Alright, so in terms of pricing, I do not have the actual pricing now, so I'll put it up on the screens because by the time you watch this video, the device would have already been launched here in Malaysia. So take note about that, the pricing you'll see on the screens. Alright, so let's move on straight away and check out the unboxing experience. Alright, so as soon as you peel open the box itself, now this really unwraps itself into the map of the Free Fire game. Very nice here, guys. And as soon as you unwrap the map itself, this is where you will find the Dare to Fight letter here, which contains a couple of very cute stickers inside. So if you're into that kind of thing, this is what you will find in this Dare to Fight sort of, letter kind of thing. All right, so now moving on to the actual device box itself. Right at the front, you will see that we have this Free Fire design. Again, very cool packaging here. Some brands today, they're not really caring about the packaging. They're giving you the smallest box possible with nothing inside. But, very nice to see that Realme is still playing it nice with the packaging. Very cool stuff here. Now, I'm just going to flip the box itself, to the back here so I can recap on a couple of key features that you need to know about the Realme 9 Pro Plus. Yes, it does come with the same Sony IMX766 OIS camera, good stuff there. Processor wise, you get a Dimensity 925G, you have your 60-watt fast charge, and of course it says here that you also have that 90Hz AMOLED display. Alright, so now I know you guys want to see what's inside the box, so we're going to unbox this right now. Alright, so as soon as you remove the top casing from the box itself, you are greeted with the Realme Free Fire cardboard here. It says here again, Dare to Fight. Now within this cardboard, you will also be able to find a couple of manuals, and you have this really cool SIM pin ejector that is in the form of the Free Fire knife. Very nice. This knife is super cute. I'm definitely going to be keeping this. Right, so moving on, we can see that we have the device itself already. We will unwrap it in a while, but we'll see what else came in the bottom of the box here. Alright, we do have your typical squeegee, silicone case. And moving down, you also have your, that dart charger together with your Type-C cable. Alright, so right now we're going to unwrap the Realme 9 Pro Plus itself and see the full design in its total glory. And yep, this is exactly how it looks like, guys. Honestly speaking, when I first saw this and I unwrapped this, I was super impressed with the back design of the Realme 9 Pro Plus Free Fire Edition. I mean, even if you do not play the game, I can't deny that this looks really fantastic. I mean, even again, if you are not a gamer, the back panel here does look super cool. Yes, I know it is a very reflective kind of panel and it is prone to a lot of fingerprints at the back, but guys, just take a look at this. It has this really nice color, is great, design is good as well. Now moving on to the sides, you still have that metallic kind of frame, and at the bottom you have your Type-C port, you have your speakers, you also have your headphone jack still here, just to remind you if you forgot about that. At the side you have your volume rocker and you have your SIM card slot. On the right you have that power button, and on the top it is completely empty. Alright, so this is basically the device itself. Apart from the design and the packaging, what else is new? Well, you do have a Free Fire theme built in already, and as soon as you unlock the device, you will see that you have this very interesting icons on the screen itself. This is the Free Fire icons. Honestly speaking, it was a little bit hard for me to identify what app they actually stand for, but after using it for a while now, I found it, quite understandable. Apart from that, Realme is saying because they have partnered with Free Fire, the game itself is super optimized to run on the Realme 9 Pro Plus. I noticed that because you can have those vibrations activated, so whenever you're driving a vehicle or if you're shooting at an enemy or something like that, the device itself, the haptics will start to vibrate. And just so you know, this is the X-axis linear haptics, so this is one of the best haptics that you can get on smartphones today, and that is actually in the Realme 9 Pro Plus. Alright, apart from that, I also played some other games here, and again, the Realme 9 Pro Plus with the Dimensity 925G chip is definitely able to handle most games on pretty strong graphics settings, so you will not have to worry about that. Either if you're playing Free Fire or just any other games, you will be able to run those pretty smoothly on here. Now, my device, my particular unit here comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. In terms of the display at the front, yes, like I mentioned earlier on, it is an AMOLED panel, 90Hz refresh rate. Everything here looks very clear and sharp on the display. The contrast levels are great, saturation levels are great as well. And even if you are not a gamer, you don't have to worry about that because you can still buy this device here because we do have a pretty impressive set of sensors at the back. Now we have this triple camera setup which is led by that Sony IMX766 sensor that comes with OIS. You also have an ultra wide sensor, an 8MP one, and last but not least a 2MP macro or depth sensor at the back here, which isn't really very useful. But yes, you have that OIS Sony IMX766 which is definitely going to be helpful. So if you do not game, this device here is still capable of taking some really awesome camera shots, so still can consider this device. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I've already done a full review on the 9 Pro Plus. I'll put it on the screen somewhere or maybe down in the description box, but you can find out all about the device there. And yeah, thank you guys for watching till the end. Again, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you want to see all the latest tech that's dropping here in Malaysia. And even if you're from other countries, you are very, very much welcome as well. Alright, I hope all of you guys are having a great one. Stay safe everybody, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!